there's that big question. Do you always hit on 16? Well, it all depends. Cards, gut, and how the room is feeling. And I think Dana White says it the best. Let's head on over and see what he says.
One last question. Do you always hit on 16?
Do what?
Do you always hit on 16?
I'll check you out. Yes.
Always.
Unless the cards are goofy. I usually play by the book unless the cards are weird and I got a gut that I shouldn't. But yeah, I always hit on 16.
What about 17? Would you go there?
Do I hit on 17?
Yeah.
That's fucking hilarious you asked me that.
This is why I love Dana.
So I was in a...
I
always got the great, always got the best
awesome.
stories.
So I was in a blackjack tournament a few years ago. The trophy is in my office, right?
Yeah.
Like my blackjack trophies are like some of my fucking most prized possessions. When I die, I want them to fucking like there with the trophy. Yeah. So I'm in a blackjack tournament, and you had to pay $250,000 to enter that blackjack tournament. But because I was a celebrity, I didn't have to pay. So I made it to the last table, and I'm playing against all these guys. So we're going. So they set up the last table. 5 people go to the last table, and this guy. So there's a lot of waiting while you know. So this guy comes up to me and says, "Hey, I'm a big fan." Da 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 da. I'm like, "Oh, cool, thank you." Blah 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 blah. And he says to me, "You know how this works, right?" I'm like, "No, I don't understand. How what works?" He goes, "When you make it to the last table, we all split the pot." And I'm like, "Yeah, fuck that shit. Yeah, I'm not splitting the pot. I came here to win this fucking thing." These 4 people wanted to fucking murder me. I'm not kidding you. The tension in the room was so fucking crazy. It was unbelievable. So we start playing at the last. Now they're all playing to beat me, okay? And I can't remember what I did. I can't remember what the move was, but one of the guys starts yelling, "He can't fucking do that. He put too many chips up or whatever. I didn't put enough, whatever." I'm like, fucking relax, all right? So I took the thing back. But I ended up hitting a 17, right? Because the guy over there had more chips than me. I said, fuck it. I hit the 17. I got the 4 on the 17.
Let's go.
Right? So I win, and I can't remember what the scenario was. This was a few years ago. But because that guy shot his mouth off, and you know who you are if you're out there watching this, you remember this. I won the tournament.
Hell yeah.
And literally nobody fucking said anything to me. My big fan just got up and fucking walked out. And I had this lunatic friend of mine that was there from Boston. He starts screaming, "He's the greatest blackjack player in the history." And these people wanted to kill him. Anyway, fucking story's too long. But anyway, yes.
All right, cool.
I hit a 17 one fucking time, and I won the blackjack tournament.
Yeah,
it was a $250,000 winner-take-all blackjack tournament.
I'll hit on 17 tonight.
Don't do it. It's the fucking luckiest thing.
Oh, you guys got to love it. You got to love it. And it just shows you how passionate he is about it. Because not only the trophies, but when that journalist was asking him, like, "Hey, do you do this on certain hands?" He lit up like a Christmas tree. I love that about him. And to tell you guys the truth, listen, I struggle with that 16. And to his point, it just depends on how you're feeling, how the cards are coming on. But more often than not, it's best to hit on 16. And you know who says that? The book does. You know where the book was written by? The casino. So maybe I should hit on 17. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Love you like always.